All right, so in this video, we are going to show you how to contact support on the Shop app. Right, as you can see, I'm in my phone and I have the Shop app installed. So I'm gonna tap on that. And here we are going to be brought to the homepage of the Shop app. Now, there are two ways to contact support on Shop app. The first one is here on the upper right corner of the screen. You see this like star, 2 stars. So if you tap on that, this is pretty much the customer support chat, the AI chat. And as you can see, I've been having issues with payments. I've been talking to it. So if you ask something, it's going to pretty much give you an automated answer for your question, whatever it is. It's pretty much going to answer everything. So you could also type like or dislike. So let's like do that, and it's going to leave a feedback. So this is the first option you have to contact support. The other one is you press on the upper lower right corner. As you can see here, this is your profile. You tap on that and you're going to be brought to this. And as you can see, there is a hamburger icon of 3 lines on the upper right. So tap on the 3 lines, and then here you're going to have an option to contact support. This is the 4th option here above sign out. So just tap on that and you're going to be brought to this page. Only 2 options, help center and about. So just go to help center. It's going to bring you out of the app, and here you could just, standard FAQ standard just help support system for any shopping website. So you could browse articles, you could actually type your question here, and hopefully there's an answer to it. As you can see here, featured articles, right? And then at the same time, you can also contact a specific shop store. So you tap on that. So you can contact a shop store. The information, the instructions are here. As you can see here, there you go. And yeah, those are the 2 ways to contact support in Shop. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.